Whether you love a latte or crave a cappuccino, you'll know that the foamy layer of milk resting on top of your beverage can make or break the experience. While your favorite barista might have perfected that first, delicious sip for your favorite hot or cold brew. The goal with good foam is to incorporate tiny bubbles of air evenly throughout the milk, says Luigi Di Rucco, Vice President and co-owner of Mr. Espresso. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 milk frothers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Elita Pro 19,000 RPM Milk Frother Double Whisk. Overall, the best milk frother is the Elita Double Whisk handheld milk frother. Testers appreciated the effective double whisk and found that it was easy to clean, making it an ideal addition to your morning beverage. Our testers found there was nice, glossy foam on the first pour with whole milk, though the large bubbles did deflate rather quickly. When used with oat milk, the frother produced a light, silky foam with small bubbles and just a bit of shine. The cold foam test resulted in high, stiff peaks that were so rich and thick, that they needed to be spooned onto the beverage. If you're a cocoa drinker, you'll want to have this on hand. Not only did the double whisk mix it up well, but it also created a thick froth that our testers measured at 1.5 inches. Despite all that hard work, cleanup is easy, just spin through soapy water, rinse, then spin dry. Number 2. Instant Pot Milk Frother. For an electric option, the best milk frother is this Instant Pot pick. Our testers loved that this frother was easy to clean and very quiet, which may not be a common combination when it comes to fast-acting frothers. Part of what makes this pick one of the best milk frothers is you're able to choose between 4 different settings: cold foam, light warm foam, thick warm foam, and warming without foaming. When used with whole milk, the Instant Pot milk frother produced smooth, silky froth that held up when it was added to top off a beverage. The oat milk produced a looser foam, but it held up after the pour. In fact, the tester noted that it tightened up when it was added to the glass. One tester recommended using the small froth setting if you want better results for hot chocolate. It produced a good froth when used with both whole milk and oat milk. Number 3. Fino Milk Creamer Frother. Ready to up your frothing game? According to testers, this Fino style is the best milk frother to make you feel like a professional barista. Our testers loved that this created quality foam in just a minute and appreciated that it was so easy to clean. Milk frothers are typically not decorative, but this one is an exception. With a shiny stainless steel exterior, you might like to put this on full display in your kitchen. It's worth noting, however, that testers didn't like that the metal container prevented them from being able to see their progress. Overall, testers didn't recommend the design for hot chocolate as the powder didn't mix well. Oat milk produced larger bubbles, but it still created a good froth, though without much shine. However, when used to froth whole milk, it produced a glossy, stable with tiny bubbles that impressed testers. Type: manual. Capacity: 14 ounces, heating: no, accessories: none. Number 4. Xylus Handheld Electric Milk Frother. The Xylus Milk Frother is the best milk frother for cold foam. Though it performed well throughout each test, the quality of the cold foam it produced was particularly notable to testers. The foam from the whole milk looked glossy and amazing, but it was gone shortly thereafter. It deflated within a minute and was practically gone within 5. While the oat milk wasn't as voluminous as the whole milk's foam, it was tighter and those small bubbles held up much better with only a little bit of loss in volume. The hot chocolate also saw good results as far as mixing up the hot beverage, though there wasn't a ton of foam. When it came to the cold foam, however, one tester described the output as beautiful, silky, and pourable. There was a tight bubble structure and testers noted that the foam held up very well and barely lost any volume. Number 5. Foodville MF05 Rechargeable Milk Frother. The Foodville MF05 Rechargeable Milk Frother is the best milk frother for the winter season. Though the frother worked well when tested on different kinds of milk, testers felt it worked particularly well on the hot chocolate. Unlike some other options, this frother was able to incorporate the hot chocolate mix well. Just keep in mind that our tester noted it did spill over and make a bit of a mess even when all instructions were followed properly. Plus, the hot chocolate had a bit of a milkshake consistency, so it depends on your preferences. For coffee beverages, whether you use whole milk or oat milk, you'll get a nice, glossy foam with both. Our testers noted that the foam with whole milk was glossy and tight at first, but it deflated quickly. When it was used with oat milk, The silky foam lasted a bit longer. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.